Imagine the early 19th century. Factories, black smoke, the creaking of machines, hard labor, where every minute was filled with sweat and fatigue. Man was part of a machine, working himself to the bone. But time passes. The roar of factories gives way to 20th century offices. Papers, typewriters, phone calls. Now labor is not about physical strength, but the ability to think, write, and count. Then another step forward. Computers and the internet appear. People begin to work not only from the office, but also from home. Yesterday, the workplace was at a machine or a desk, and today it is anywhere. In a cafe, on a train, even on the beach. And here we are in the 21st century. Man is no longer alone. Artificial intelligence works alongside us. It helps, speeds up processes, removes routine, and makes it possible to do what requires imagination, intuition, and soul. The evolution of labor has made the impossible possible, from heavy factory machines to work in a few clicks. But the essence remains the same. Man will always create, seek new paths, and move the world forward.